Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I am so excited for today's video because I am going to show you the process of building our deck. Let's get going. So here I am just showing you how our deck used to look like. As you can see here, this is our builder. He's just measuring what the deck is going to look like. I think we ended up doing like 20 by 20, like 20 feet by 20 feet square deck. I believe that's what we decided to do. As you can see, if you really look through in the back, there's still snow on the ground because this was about like April and the water was still pretty much frozen. After that, of course, a few days later, he came back and he is starting to dig in the holes. This is his very first day. He's digging the holes where he's going to be putting the bigger or biggest pillars that are going to be holding the deck together. And of course, my husband was home helping as well.
I'm going to wear gloves because I want my heart in the pants too much.
Yeah, right.
Yeah?
Those are fake handmen.
What?
Yes. You were just there for 5 minutes.
My hands are so tough I can cut a finger out. I won't even believe it. Yeah, because he...
Exactly. So you don't have men hands.
I don't, but today I do.
I also found out how soft this sand was. The sand coming out of this ground, it's so soft. I can't believe it. It's not like the one that you see by the water. It's so soft. I couldn't believe it. So what is happening here is that we usually have vaults that come out around early spring because during winter they stay on the ground and they eat up your grass like crazy. So my husband is literally trying to fix those patches on the grass because he can't stand it. It's so ugly you don't want to see it. It looks really bad. And those vaults, they look like mice, and I've never even heard of it until we moved here. So of course, me being Chanel, I had to get into the hole because I wanted to see how deep it is. And yeah, of course, I'm here taking pictures and I loved it. The silly things you do. It was very exciting for me to be part of this process. So then a few days later, I believe, something like that, we head up to Menards to get the materials. This part is really exciting because now it's becoming a little bit more real that is happening, and you get to choose like the material, the deck, the flooring, and all of that. And it was really fun. I really loved and enjoyed this experience, this part of the process. Sometimes it was tiring, but it was fun.
So if you touch this is what we'll get in probably, most likely. But then I want this to have lights.
Oh, this thing is plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, this is all plastic?
Mm-hmm.
But this is wood. Oh my god, this is...
It's not wood. Or you can go with this type.
Ça, c'est le mensonge et tout ce que voilà. This is wood.
Yeah, that's wood.
But this is still plastic.
Yeah, that's wood. That's what our neighbor
No, this
has.
is wood. Oh, this is wood.
That's a mixture. This is the one with the iron.
Are you sure you don't want this Christmas tree? Oh, this has gears on it. Oh, that's cute, but no. How about the glass? I don't like the glass. So here are the designs. You have the glass, which is design.
Yeah, you got this too.
Nah. So this is the choice we're thinking of taking. Yeah, that's what we're thinking. White and black railings. This is all wood. Colors time. Oh, this is flooring?
Yeah, actually the fusion stuff, I think it's only between these two right now. Actually, I might go check if it comes in more. But yeah, the fusion is one of the nice ones, yeah.
Which one is better than the fusions?
Well, this stuff, however, it's a little more expensive. That's just the original fusion, which is totally just as good. It's totally fine, yeah.
Okay.
What does even fusion mean?
The inspired stuff?
Oh, you said it's better than that?
Yeah, basically think of it like this. Right side, that's the worst, and then it goes to the left.
So that's the best there?
So this is the middle of the room.
That's not even the middle, that's more than the middle. Almost past the
This
middle.
is still actually a lot of the nicer stuff.
Yeah.
The triumph is a little bit nice. Rustic is down.
So, baby, what color would you like?
I like the
This
gray.
color or this color?
With the black and white railings. That's a nice gray too. Can they have
How
this
much
color in
difference
that?
is it?
For the inspired to the fusion?
Yeah.
Let me check for it.
Okay, we're gonna check the price on this. This is a nice color.
Yeah, I
But
kinda like that
it's
color.
gonna be a variation, which
Mm-hmm.
because like this one has more light than this. You don't like that gray?
We could go with that, yeah.
Or even this black?
No,
This
we don't
darker
want black.
gray?
Black sucks a lot of. In the summer,
Heat.
it'd be hot.
This not black though.
Yeah, but it's the dark color.
But this might be the fusion. What does that even mean?
I don't know. It's the name of it, I guess.
I really thought all these things were real wood. I can't
Yeah,
believe.
that's real wood. You want real wood.
But that's more work, huh?
This is cedar.
That's more work, huh?
For the inspired to the fusion, there's a huge difference on in price.
Other.
The difference between those is like I think I board did it. I think it was about like $40 difference. So I think
Per board?
yeah. So I would say 100% fusion. is gonna be
Yeah.
better than this situation.
Yeah, but let's stick with this then. This color, right?
Yeah, that's a nice color.
So we'll go with that
It's a
color.
light gray.
And but do you guys have the railings with the lights?
With the lights on,
Railings and lights on.
it might be something, but I don't think it's
Railings with the lights on. Did you hear that?
If I want like the lights to be like here.
yeah. It's actually yeah. You could look online.
Okay.
You want lights on the railings?
Okay, yeah.
But then we can set the order.
Yes, that's what we would do.
Yeah.
Because I wanted the lights on here and also on the stairs.
Gotcha.
I don't think it's on that order, but
Yeah, no problem.
The motion lights?
yes. And we'll get to this because this thing durable. So
Yeah, is that plastic?
It's vinyl.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, it's
That
vinyl.
stuff right there is vinyl. It is, yeah.
And that's kind of middle of the road, right?
But yeah, 100%. The only reason a lot more people get it is just because you don't have to treat it or anything.
Yeah.
It's just,
That's what I was thinking about the wood. You have to treat the wood and stuff, right?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
if it's not treated wood, it'll just rot and like rain and stuff like that.
But this is good for winter and all that, right?
Yeah, this
Okay.
stuff, it's not gonna rot. It's composite wood, so it's not full. Just wood that's
No, all white, no.
I guess some people do. No, this is no one does white.
no one does the white color. No.
No.
Oh, this feels more like wood though. So the higher you go, it feels more like wood.
Ooh, I really like this, but let's stick to our budget.
So if we were to get, I skip into the an example about that, like two. So we just.
Let's say this is $20. That would be what?
No, I mean, can you?
So that this is double that, right?
Maybe even more than double. Yeah.
Yeah. So no.
Okay.
Let's stick to this guy. Because I don't know how it works. If I
Yeah,
want
the
light
steps. Let's go up the
Like
steps.
single, right?
And then you have all these. I feel like that one is just like the one you buy on Amazon. Time to look for stair lights for the patio, for the deck. Oh my gosh, those are ugly. Maybe this one.
Can't take it up. I tried.
Is it built in? Yeah, it looks like it is built in.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, so this is what we were just looking at, LED light.
I think, is this solar?
No, io courant dedans. No courant. It is that big.
Yeah. Oh, you just keep plugging them.
Your brother, how does that work?
I don't know. I've never looked at it, how it works.
It's another one. Oh, this one.
Pick the one you like.
I don't know which one I like. So we're just trying to see how it feels on the legs. See if you're gonna like it. If you don't have shoes, well, I always have shoes on. I always have socks or like a type of home shoes. So this one doesn't feel bad. Let me see this one. Oh, this one is rough on the foot. I don't know. I feel like this one is a little bit. You can feel it more. It's not as smooth as that one.
That's a little bit more like wood.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. You can feel a little bit of the grains of this one on your foot. So the higher you go, this is rough. Because even this wood is softer than, is smoother than that. Literally, this wood is smoother than that last one. So these things are built. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. Oh boy. Can you help me open this, babe? Can you help me open this, please? Thank you. So there's the wood inside, and then they just cover it with this material. So even though it is covered like this, we still don't have to take care of it. The wood. There you go. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Watch out for the part 2 of this deck building. You're going to see the final product in that video, and also a little bit more of the building process. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and also hit that thumb up because I really appreciate it. And please drop in a comment below. Let me know how you're feeling about this video and what you're looking forward to seeing in the second part of this deck building. And also, do not forget to like this video. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.